Hey guys, Sunday, March 3rd, back after a little bit of a break, looking at the Astro Excel for the coming week. In the S&P, we had a little bit of a high on the 23rd. We had a reaction back down to about the 29th, and then we had a strong update on March 1st here on Friday, which came a couple days after we made this huge move up on the green line up to the plus 40 area. So I know we had been in positive territory. I hadn't paid much attention over the last couple weeks. But the bullish trend has continued as we had this positive green line above the plus 10 area for most of that period of time. Now that we peaked out, we made this big move up. We're still in bullish territory, even though the green line is moving down. We're not even going to get back to the zero line until next week on March 9th. So we still have more bullish power ahead than anything else. Let's go take a look at the weekly. Here's the weekly starting today, 3/3 Sunday. Market opens 1800 tonight. We're in the plus 12 area here and going back up near the plus 20 into Monday. Drifting back down a couple days, still in bullish territory, moving up again Thursday into Friday, where it peaks out here at the plus 18 area, which is actually on Saturday there. Oh no, that Friday, that is Friday. Still positive for the week. Big spikes coming in. We've got a big spike low here at 11 a.m. on Monday. Another one on Wednesday. A close one here Tuesday about 4 a.m. The Wednesday one is 1 p.m. 1300. We've got a plus 10 spike high here. Then late in the evening, 2200. Shallower spikes Thursday. Two high spikes Friday, 2 a.m. And then this one is at 1400 late in the afternoon. So overall, general bullish bias again. Gets to be a little bit more neutral Wednesday, Thursday, picking up again into higher territory on Friday. So the way it looks now, this bullish rally probably going to continue this week, and then as we get into the weekend, we start to move down below the zero line here on the 9th. We'll pick that up and see what that looks like next week.